Do you need to lubricate the chain on a garage door opener? The short answer is yes, but there's more to it than just grabbing any lubricant and slathering it on. First, it's important to understand that the chain on a garage door opener plays a crucial role in lifting and lowering the door smoothly. Over time, it can become dry, leading to increased noise, wear, and potential damage. However, one common misconception is that the chain needs heavy amounts of lubrication or that you can use any household lubricant like WD-40. This is not the case. Over-lubricating can cause buildup, attract dirt, and lead to more problems, while improper products can damage components. Using the right lubricant is key. Garage door professionals typically recommend a high-quality lithium-based grease or a silicone spray designed specifically for moving metal parts. These products provide the necessary lubrication without gumming up the chain. The benefits of proper lubrication include quieter operation, reduced strain on the motor, and a longer lifespan for the opener and chain. As for frequency, you only need to lubricate the chain every 6 months to a year, depending on usage and environmental conditions. During maintenance, it's also a good idea to check for tension issues or wear, as a properly maintained chain ensures your garage door operates efficiently and safely. With just a little effort and the right approach, you can keep your opener running like new for years to come.